Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can simply lock your Netflix profile with password. But before we start with our video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel if you have already done so. Thank you. And without any further delay, we will simply start our video right there. So if you want to do so, first of all, simply go to your phone browser. Actually guys, you cannot do it from your mobile phone's Netflix app. You have to go to your phone browser, go to search bar and type in netflix.com. And yeah, as you can see, I'm already logged in here in my browser, so you can go ahead and get logged in as well. Then you will finally be able to see this kind of interface right there. Then what you will have to do is simply go ahead, tap on this 3 horizontal line on your top left corner, tap on it, and then you will tap on your account option given. Simply tap, and you will simply scroll down until you find your profiles, right? So as you can see, 2 profiles are already locked here. So if I want to lock this particular one, I will simply tap on this drop like arrow icon facing downwards, tap on it, and I will be able to see this kind of options. So you will go ahead and find this option called profile lock, right? So as you can see, it's off right there. So I'll tap on it, change, and here I will enter my password. So once you're done with your password, you will simply go ahead, tap on this continue option. If you in case have forgotten your password, tap on forgot password, get your new password and again do it. Tap on continue, and then you will see this lock this profile by creating a 4-digit PIN. Simply tap on this require PIN to access Smita's profile. So just simply tap on that box and you will now enter your PIN. Once you're done entering your PIN, you will simply go ahead, tap on the save option given, right? Simply tap on the save option, and profile lock saved here in confirmation in green box. So yes guys, this is how I can simply do it. You can go ahead, lock your profile there in your Netflix app as well. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, I will see you guys next time.